Welcome back. In this tutorial we're going to cover normal ortho number 3. So let's start off with our 3 basic questions. How would I describe this shape? It's kind of a squared off looking S. Which view best shows the shape? That would be in the front view, looking at it this way. And does the part have symmetry? So the answer is yes, but only front to back. The top and bottom and the left and the right are not the same. We're going to go ahead and hop over to Inventor, if I can find it, and start a new part. And we're going to sketch on the front. Okay, so we can see we've got a 1 3/4 line here and a 3/4 inch line here. Now, this is a little tricky because it is kind of missing a dimension, and it's going to make you kind of go off of an assumption that we know that our entire part on all of these normals 1 through 10 are 1 3/4 inch tall. And so that means that if we take this line and trace it, kind of project it over, we can see that this line that I am currently over is longer. And since we know that our part is 1 3/4 from the top all the way to the bottom, and this is 3/4, the result of this has to be 1 inch. So let's go ahead back to Inventor, and we're going to draw a 1 3/4 inch line, and then come up 1 over 1 1/4, up 0.75, and then we know that this is 0.75. This length here is 2 1/4. And then down to our 3/4 inch line and back to close. Finish sketch. And then we just need to extrude 1.75, and since our symmetry is in the direction of our extrusion, we're going to make that extrusion symmetric, and then we're going to hit OK. So one of the things that I like to do when I go to double check my parts is to kind of compare where the lines go. So for example, this line here starts at this corner and goes back, and it leaves a little bit of a vertical to get to the top. If we pop back, we can see that indeed when I'm at my home view, which is my isometric perspective, from this point, this line over does leave a little segment. So it kind of is just a quick double check. If I saw this line coming, too far this way and a lot longer of a segment here, or if this was pushed further out and it came back more, then I would know there's a problem. So it's just kind of a quick double check. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next one.